it can bring him to do two things, or to roll to the back, or to go forward. Now, the game is here in the center. What I want you to do when he's here, I just want you to take the legs, just do this. I'll show you on me as well. It'll be easier for you to understand. He's here with the toy, playing, and you're doing this. One, and if you can see, I will be in front of you, so you will see what's happening. When I'm bending my left leg, the weight is going to the right, and to the left when it's my right leg. Now, it can bring him to do two things, or to roll to the back, or to go forward. So let's see what will. I know that he's a little bit tired. He's almost an hour doing exercises, which is amazing. But let's try. Two things can happen. Or go forward, or he will turn. I want is, even if he's going forward, I want him to understand that he needs to take the weight once to the left, once to the right. The difference between rolling and crawling is when we are rolling, we're not stopping the transfer of the weight to the side. We're continuing, and then we are on our back at the end. When we are crawling, we're taking the weight to one side, but we are stopping. And then we are going forward. And that's okay with me, because as I told you, I know that the ability of rolling is there. He knows how to do it. He doesn't want because he wants to go forward. And this is something that it's great. It's not a bad thing. But what I do want to see is when he's crawling forward, he's doing it to the right and to the left. And from what I saw until now, from the videos and from the lesson, I can see that he prefers now, because this is something that he learned and he knows how to do, to use the right hand, to take a little bit to the left and use the right hand. What he doesn't understand yet is how to take the weight to the right side and use the left hand.